Welcome to my allotment, plot 3 in North Warwickshire. Well, it's about time we had a look at these leeks, and even the leeks that were planted in the salad bed have now succumbed to the onion moth, leek moth, allium moth, whatever you want to call it. I haven't lifted the cover up on the others at the moment, but I know a few went to seed and some of them look like this, so we'll lift the top up and see what we've got in the underneath the debris netting, which the leeks did not get affected last year. So most of them, if not all, have been devastated, with lots going to seed. The good thing, no weed still, bar from a few on the outside, one big one there, and a thistle growing on the other side. But other than that, very few weeds, using the thick layer of autumn leaves and the spent compost. So at least we know that works. Let's hope it wasn't that harboured all these grubs. Bean crops coming here next time. The Jerusalem artichokes will stay there in their bed, which is protected by plastic, and hopefully that will retain them. I'm going to clear this now, and I'm not going to save any, they're all coming out. So that's the bed cleared. I've tried to make sure that I don't let any grubs drop out on the floor. I'm just going to quickly rake this over. Not going to dig it, just going to let the worms do the work. I've got some big sheets of cardboard. I'll take the tape off and any bits that I don't need, lay that down, cover it with plastic and let the worms do the digging for me. There's the damaged crop. There's a little bit that I might be able to salvage. I'll clean them up shortly. First of all, I just want to show you the grub. There's the telltale signs, and the grub is just inside there, but you can see how much damage is done. Once the grub reaches the bottom, he can go to sleep, make his nest, come up as a moth next year and devastate your crop. So let's see if we can find him. Can't get too close, but you can see him wriggling around there. And that one has done all that damage. So best to pull them. For some reason that part of the allotment must have had the moth in it, because I've had the same cover on that protected them last year. But like I say, they've only got to be in the ground. Been lucky, I suppose. But any damage like that, guys, get your leeks out. Let's clean these up and see if there's any damage on there, and perhaps we'll be able to salvage them. Well, that's my leek crop for this year. Be able to use some reasonably quickly. The rest I'll freeze, but they won't take up much room in the freezer. I've just got to take some photos of these, so I'm not pulling these out just yet because I can't take photos in between filming. Raw footage as normal. The cut and grow lettuce are doing alright, just as a quickie update there. It's just started to rain again. Thanks for watching, guys. Just be aware of that. I know other people have got the same problem, so we do need to be vigilant. A little bit late for me, but we've had to leave them in the ground to grow a little bit more before that grub devastates the lot, but didn't get much of a crop at all. Thank you to everyone who subscribed and commented, thumbs up, and sharing my videos. I do appreciate it. Happy gardening to you all, and take care till next time.